Hello! Welcome to Lean on Me, a place where learning is fun, exciting, and absolutely memorable. I am Yakano Benson, and today we are going to be learning about singular and plural. Singular and plural. Alright, so how many pencils do I have here? Just one. So you say one pencil, right? How many do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we say 6 pencils. One pencil, 6 pencils. So why didn't I say one pencil, 6 pencil? That's because singular means one and plural means many. Okay? So a singular noun is one person, one place, one thing, one animal, just one. While plural means many, more than one. Okay? So a plural noun is more than one. More than one place, more than one person, more than one thing, more than one animal. So singular is single, plural is more than one. Now, how do we change singular nouns to plural nouns? So if you have many things and you want to express it or you want to tell us about those things that you have, how do you say it correctly? Now, rule number 1. For general nouns, just the simple ones that we meet every day, the simple rule is to add S at the end. Add S at the end. For example, 1 book, 2 books. You can hear the sound, right? So you say 1 book, 2 books. 1 pencil, 4 pencils. You add S at the end. 1 star, 5 stars. 1 dog, dogs. Girl, girls. Bag, bags. So that's the first rule. You add S at the end. Rule number 2. For words that end with S, SS, Z, CH, or SH, you end them with ES. With what? ES. So if your word has the letter S at the end, or the letter SS at the end, or the letter X, or CH, or SH, to change from a singular noun to a plural noun, you add ES at the end. Okay? For example, bus. So you add ES to get the plural, buses. Class. You add ES at the end to have the plural, classes. So you say 1 class, 2 classes. Box has X at the end, so you add ES to have boxes. 1 box, 10 boxes. Church. You add ES at the end to have churches. Dish. You add ES at the end to have dishes. Bus. A B, bus. So you add ES at the end to have buses. Okay? So that is rule number 2. You add ES for words that have S, SS, CH, SH, and X at the end. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. Words that end with Y, if it has a consonant sound before the Y. If it has a consonant sound before the Y, you remove the Y and add IES. Remove the Y and add IES. For example, baby, BABY. So there's a consonant sound B before the Y. baby. So you remove the Y and add IES to have the plural, which is babies. So 1 baby, 3 babies. City. Remove the Y and add IES, you have cities. Fly. Remove the Y and add IES. 1 fly, 5 flies. Country. Remove the Y and add IES. So 1 country, 5 countries. Many countries. Now for the same rule, if you have a vowel sound before the Y, you're not going to do anything to it, you're just going to add S at the end. You're not changing it, you're not adding IES, you're just adding S to it at the end. For example, boy. Boy has the letter O, the sound the vowel sound before the Y. So you're going to add S. So 1 boy, 3 boys. 1 toy, 5 toys. Now rule number 4. I know you're excited about this. Alright, so rule number 4. Rule number 4 says, if a noun ends with F or FE, if a noun ends with F or FE, you're going to remove the F and the FE and you replace it with VES. Remove the F and the FE, replace it with VES to get the plural. For example, knife. Knife ends with FE. So you remove the FE and end it with VES. So you have 1 knife, 3 knives. Wife. Wife ends with FE. So you remove the FE and add VES. So wife, singular, wives, plural. Thief. Remove the F and add VES. Thief, singular, thieves, plural. Calf. Remove the F, calves, plural. Half, singular, halves, plural. In our next video, we are going to be exploring one more rule and we're going to take amazing class activities. See you!